Welcome students. Today's session 12th standard chemistry preparations of potassium dichromate. Very important 5 marks or 3 mark questions. So very important oxidizing reagent of potassium dichromate. So already known for the 11th standard practical. The confirmation of chloride test, chromate chloride test will be added for chlorides added the pinch of salt of potassium dichromate, solid potassium dichromate will be added, oxidizing or chromate chloride gas evolves, so red orange vapors evolves. So already known for color, red orange color, and very important oxidizing agents for laboratory and important uses. So potassium dichromate, how will you prepared? Now depth discussed for this class. So prepared from chromate ore and the separation method, gravitational separation method. So first lesson that the separation type of separation method discussed for depth. And first is that the chromate ore add with mixed excess of sodium carbonate and lime is the roasted reverberants and furnace. So chromate ore, sodium carbonate and with oxygen pressure of in 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius. So to given the product soluble sodium chromate and insoluble of iron oxide and the carbon dioxide gas evolved. The clue word, how will be the equation? First important, the equation 1b 1 2 3 equation will be right. LHS RHS balance of the equation perfectly. You are that a full mark get in the chemistry question papers, but you will be the equation wrong but theoretical correct, no doubt mark also given. So easy trick method is the 487 LHS 487 RHS 828 487 828 4 sodium chromate chromate ore and 8 sodium carbonate, 7 oxygen molecules and 8 sodium chromate and 2 iron oxide and 8 carbon dioxide, easily balanced. And it will be that given of two products, soluble and insoluble, soluble sodium chromate and insoluble iron oxide. The remove of the sodium chromate, insoluble iron oxide. The sodium chromate treated with the sodium chromate, 2 mole of sodium chromate take, treated with sulfuric acid to give the product sodium dichromate. 2 mole of sodium chromate treated with sulfuric acid to give the product sodium dichromate. Here the chromate, sodium chromate, here also sodium dichromate, 2 times dichromate, okay va? Okay students, and next will be the product sodium sulfate plus water molecules, sodium sulfate and water molecules. That the sodium chromate is yellow color is crystals, so yellow color liquids, and add with sulfuric acid to give the product sodium dichromate is the orange red color, yellow to orange red color. The sodium sulfate less soluble in cooled and get crystals of sodium sulfate water molecules, dihydrates, sodium sulfate dihydrates and change saturated solution of sodium dichromate, saturated solutions of sodium dichromate in the liquids in with mixed with water and add potassium chloride salt, to give the concentrated get crystal form of sodium chloride salt, that the potassium attack of the sodium position is that filtrate while cooled and obtain is give potassium dichromate crystals. So red, orange red potassium dichromate crystal is formed. So remember, recall that. So preparations of potassium dichromate, very important questions, prepared from the chromate ore and gravity separation method and mixed with sodium carbonate and lime is the 900 to 1000 degree Celsius. Chromate ore, sodium carbonate and oxygen. So 4 mole of sodium chromate ore, 8 mole of sodium carbonate, 7 mole of oxygen with reaction with reactant part 900 to 1000 degree Celsius and reverberatory furnace, and to give products soluble and insoluble of products. So soluble sodium chromate and insoluble iron oxide. The insoluble iron oxide is separated from soluble sodium chromate. The soluble sodium chromate treated with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, to give form sodium dichromate. The 2 mole of sodium chromate treated with sulfuric acid. So sodium sulfate is removed and to form of sodium dichromate to give two product, one yellow to orange red change sodium dichromate, another sodium sulfate crystals form. So sodium crystal cooled, the sodium sulfate, less soluble sodium sulfate liquid gets cooled and form of the crystal sodium sulfate dihydrate, and saturated soluble sodium carbonate with water mix and potassium chloride, and will be the concentrated get the crystal form of sodium chloride salt product. Another one, while hot of cooled obtain precipitate of crystal form color crystal, orange red crystals is the potassium dichromate crystal is formed. So sodium dichromate with soluble potassium chloride to give the product potassium dichromate, and very important, this is the preparation method. So it will be exam used for equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 3 is also properly very important. Some like that the questions for one word question, which type of importance was, how will you prepare methods of potassium dichromate, gravity separation, fourth fluidations, magnetic separation. So type of option given the questions for one word questions. Another solubles or insolubles, the one word question of point of view. Another, how will you changes of color, yellow to orange red, sodium chromate to sodium dichromate, and the sodium dichromate to how will you prepare the single step equation. You will be question asked 2 mark question. The sodium dichromate to how will be prepared to potassium dichromate. So sodium dichromate with add with water mixed of potassium chloride to give the product is potassium chromate. So easily one equation you will be get easy 2 mark. So important step, very easy. Chromate ore, sodium carbonate, oxygen 487, 4 chromate ore, 8 sodium carbonate, 7 oxygen molecules. So product 8, the equal to 8 to 8 mention. Soluble sodium chromate, soluble sodium in the position will be changed, that's all, here to here, but the value will be very important. Soluble sodium chromate, insoluble iron oxides and carbon dioxide. Next will be chromate change into the sodium chromate. Next that the same product will be write 2 mole sodium chromate to add just sulfuric acid to give the product sodium dichromate, easily yellow to orange red. And next directly you will be write add with potassium chloride. The second and third equation very easy, given the product easily memory. The first equation will be slightly depth, so easy to students. So memory trick 487 and 828. Another chromate to sodium chromate, sodium chromate to sodium dichromate, sodium dichromate with convert of potassium dichromate. Thank you to all.